My son in Alfonso is not home. I think he's in Singapore already. I just know I call her. This one. This is Poy, the retired man. This is latest little groceries at the Blackford, the World of Singapore. We buy some ready food to eat. Except for tomorrow. This is like fish head, okay? Salmon fish head, bento. Japanese bento. It's not teriyaki or karagi with the kind of flavored rice. Fried rice. We have some bread, coffee off, some cheese down there. Okay, with the banana, and there's a pork down there too. And there's some one is like a cake, Chinese cake. Okay, Chinese cake. It's only like $40 got discount. So may have listen po tayo only like 36. Okay, there's listen po there. Enjoy folks at the Blackford, the World of Singapore. Latest little groceries from CS Cold Storage Supermarket. July 12, 2026. Enjoy Singapore. Latest little groceries. Enjoy Singapore. Kaya soft drinks na today. Enjoy folks at the Blackford, the World of Singapore. Latest little groceries.